Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because nowadays I'm really happy to record, if that's the word, record, and put you guys in the loop of what is happening today. My YouTube fam is making me get very creative, and I wanted to try out these hair masks that I've been seeing online for the longest time. I have never done it on my hair. This is the first time. And funny enough, I have all the ingredients. I have the Bentonite clay. I have the what's it called now? Hey, I've forgotten the name of. But you will see it in my next clip. I have all of that, and I just wanted to, give my hair a little bit of love, pamper it, detox my scalp, and yeah. So if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you can be notified and you can watch. And if you are a returning subscriber, please don't forget to like, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can share my video to everyone that is interested in this kind of content. So let's get right into it, okay? So right now I'm going to be mixing my apple cider vinegar, my Bentonite clay that I got, and then water into this bowl. Now you want to use glass or rubber bowls. Avoid metal bowls because it removes the clay's healing power by stripping out the electric charge that will help to detoxify your scalp. So I know some people asked me last video like for measurement, and I really just use free hand measurements. I'm just going to use 2 tablespoons of, or maybe 3, just a little, 3 tablespoons of 2 spoons of water. Just that, make this a thick consistency. So let's see how many tablespoons this will work. That's 2. This is 100 ml. I got 100 ml, but there are some other that's what I think you can see in the market. Let's see. Add like 1 more spoon. I will finish it. But anyways, let's see. It's now too thick, so add more apple cider vinegar. The effect is so strong. And add to have a certain consistency. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take this into my bathroom now and start the work. My hair right now, I'm just going to, go off camera and section my hair into small parts. Then I'll pour water and then I'll come back here and show you guys the whole process. So I've gone ahead off camera to detangle this part of my hair, but I've not applied it. So this is what I'm doing. Look like the marks. I think I like it so they don't spoil my clothes. This is you want to wear something that's, you can easily wash out maybe when it gets very dirty. This is enough. apply it. And yeah, define my gosh. Let's see. I don't know if I'm saying enough, but you guys forgive me. We'll see the result together. Then let me do this. I'll be back. So I added more water to the mixture because I feel it's getting what's it called? It's getting dry, and I don't want it to be dry. I want it to be able to penetrate my hair shaft very well. So yeah, this is a messy job, honestly. I'm trying to be very careful so I don't mess up my whole body. Sorry, my hair is here, so let's see what I do. So yeah, just go ahead and apply everywhere on the hair and come back and let's leave it for like another 20 minutes and see the result together before I use my deep conditioner. So, I decided to use the ring on my face and come back after 20 minutes to wash up. It's also very good for your face, against that face mask. Anyway, I don't have issues with the blackheads and stuff, so yeah, all done. I'll come back after 20 minutes. Or 10 minutes or about, and get started. I'll wash off with water. I'll probably like come up when I'm done washing, so I don't make this too long. I'm trying so hard not to make it so long, but yeah, so you can enjoy it. So I'm not sure if it worked. I've left it for about 20 minutes, but I think it's a bit too light and the product is not enough, so you might want to use more to, just make sure it's white and looking very, I don't know, that's where I see it online, so maybe that's why I'm doing that. I'm actually recording this with my phone camera. I hope it's okay. Anyways, I think it defined my curls very well. Like you can see the definition, like I don't know if you can see it very well, but yeah. So use my Mega Growth and Deep Conditioner. I'm going to be mixing it with my bamboo machine because that's our product line. You can order again from Instagram, you know, very important. But I think I'll be mixing both and then I'll apply, put it in heat and come back and run it off. But yeah, I'm going to ready this off camera and I'll be back. So I didn't want to wash my hair. I just wanted to use deep conditioner, but apparently it's holding on to my scalp, so I had to wash it out. You see, there's still even on it. It's like I've rinsed, but it's still there. So I might as well just use my shampoo and then go in with my deep conditioner. You could see it's still clinging to my hair. It's a lot. Of course, my shampoo is dirty. Well, anyways, you guys have seen the process before, so I don't need to show you. Okay. So I have my sorry, what do you call it? Sometimes it's better to use your hand, so I use this instead. I just want to make sure that the whole thing comes off on my scalp. So I'm checking the lights. As you can see, everybody is a bit dark, but it's not going to deter me. So I'm going to Mega Growth Deep Conditioner on my hair. But like I said earlier, I'll be putting it in this cup because because I want to mix it with my oil and see how hair will react to it. So that's why. So this is it. And bangle magic. So I'm just going to be free-handed, just with a little bit and mix it up and see how we will do. Right. I just want to see how my hair reacts to, I'm just using it. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can see it. Wow. Can you see how my hair reacts to it? It's giving that very, like the shine. And then make my hair like quite fine. I'm going to actually add my rubber. I'm going to use vinegar. So of course, I'm going to be tangling this whole thing. Put it on my hands. My first time using vinegar with the tangle, honestly. I kind of mix my tangle. So let's see how my hair reacts to it. I don't think it's the tangle way it should. Because my hair, usually when I use like very, I don't know, maybe I'm going to it's not penetrating my head in it. Like when it's not doing, it's not feeling soft. It's a way, like the conditioner is supposed to get in. I don't know. Maybe I'm not blind enough. Okay, let's just wait and see how my hair reacts to it. Maybe my hair is supposed to respond to the conditioner. I'm not sure this is really what I want, but it's supposed to soften, give it to the tangle. Okay, and brush. That's all the way from the roots, tip to the roots, okay? You guys, can you see the way it's... I don't know how to explain this. It's not giving me what I want. Well, I understand because I've used other products and it sits very well on my hair, but so this is what the hair looks like right now. I'm just going to go ahead and wash it, and so I'm done. This is what it looks like. So I think my curls are very defined. I just wanted to see, I think my hair is shiny. Yeah, I wanted to see what doing a max, even though I feel like I didn't really like use enough. So I'm going to try this process again and see how it will work when I put a lot. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I hope you like it. Yeah, I think this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends to learn more hair tricks. Yeah. If you have any question for me, you can leave it in the comment section and I will do well to respond to that. Thank you so much. Bye.